Hey guys, welcome to SocialNet. This is Upama Sherpa, and in today's video I'll show you how to clear and disable off Facebook activity history. Facebook has finally added a security and privacy feature that lets you clear your off Facebook activity they have tracked it. Off Facebook activity is a summary of activity that businesses and organizations share with us about your interaction, such as visiting your apps or websites. They use our business tools like Facebook Login or Facebook Pixel to share this information with us. Now, in order to begin, first you need to download the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once installed, log into it and tap on it to open. Now go to the top right corner and tap onto the three horizontal lines. Once you tap on it, scroll down a little bit and here you can see the settings option, tap on it. Once you are on the settings and privacy page, scroll down and go to the permissions section. Here you can see off Facebook activity option, click on it. Here on this page, go to manage your off Facebook activity option and tap on it. On this page, you'll be able to see what activity was tracked on other apps and websites while you had your Facebook open, as well as information from those businesses that has been shared with Facebook. Now to erase all of this data, go to the top and tap on the clear history option. Once you tap on it, this page informs you that once you clear your history of Facebook activity from your account, your activity history will be disconnected from your account, but you'll still continue to receive your activity from the businesses and organizations that you visit in the future. Also, clearing the history may log you out of the apps and website that you've been using, but if that happens, you can still use Facebook to log back in. And last but not the least, you'll still see the same number of ads. Your ad preferences and actions that you take on Facebook will be used to show you relevant ads. Now once you agree on this, go to the clear history option that is on the bottom of your screen and tap on it. Now once you do that, you can see here you have successfully cleared your history for your off Facebook activity. To prevent this kind of data from being stored on Facebook account in the future, you can go to the off Facebook activity page and tap on the more options. As you can see, here are various options available. Go to the manage future activity and tap on it. Here at the bottom of the page, you can see manage future activity option, tap on it again. Here to disable it, go to the future off activity options and tap the toggle next to it. By doing this, you turn off saving off future off activity. And now in order to confirm, go to the bottom of your screen and tap on turn off option. Now you have successfully cleared and disabled the off Facebook activity from your mobile device. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and stay up to date for more videos like this. Bye bye.